Viewed with tats, lace skin ortho scissoring, lace glue, blow dryer, a wig, top comb, edge brush, product for bitch.
You said you were alright. Okay, I can take you there. That's all you gotta do is say that one time. Okay. Alright. New bitch, yeah, she bad as hell. She got long hair. Pretty bitch got a big booty. I got
Ellie. He wanna pop out. I wanna rock out. Call when I'm in town. Fuck do you mean? I don't want that nigga. My IG just down his screen. Pretty bitch. Yeah.
You be trippin' on the time we don't spend. I pull up and gotta slide once again. You signed up, said you ride to the end, yeah. But you don't wanna be alone. If it's something on your mind, let me in. Hey, no, I be hoping that the vibe never ends. I just hope you know that I understand.
Cause what the fuck, this ain't Chanel, nigga, custom down. What the fuck, I ain't smoking hot, bust me down. You the same clown nigga that was running me down. Now you all up in the stores cause you wanna me down. I said rule number one to be a boss ass bitch. Never let a clown nigga try to play you. If he play you, then rule number two, fuck his best friends, then make them yes men. And get a dick pic and then you press send. And send a red heart and send a kissy face. And tell him that his friends love how your pussy tastes. And that's rule three, I'm the school T. My wrist look like I am a jewel thief. But that's just cause I am a boss bitch. Now macaroni, cheese, and grill my swordfish. Bitch, 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 bitch. I'm a boss.
Bad bitch, ass fat. 40-inch hair, yours came in a pack. Camel toe fat, you can see it from the back. Go bad bitch, 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 go. Fun came with the baby hairs. Lame ass up, can't compare. Be talking about me, but they built like a pair. Keep that shit suckle, don't fit in no square. I done say hoes can't sit right here. Big booty bitch, I need 2 chairs. That nigga my bitch, I don't share. Say what you want, bitch, I don't care. My friend got 40-inch hair. Bitches love to stare. Touching her derriere. Bitch, you want this hair? My bitch is bad. Make all you hoes look sad. Her ass is fat. My ass is flat. Yeah, I say what I want and I mean what I say. Just check my account, it had more than a K. Went out of state and came back in the day. I showed up late, but I won't be delayed. I ain't do shit if
This shit. Bad little boy. I've been bouncing on beat, all on beat. Watch me bounce it on beat, all on beat.
How you gonna take me to court, Lewis? What address you gonna use, Lewis? What ID you gonna use, Lewis? How you gonna pay for these court fees, Lewis? If you come get Leah right now, where she gonna go, Lewis? Who house she gonna be by, Lewis? Where's her room, Lewis? Who car are you going to come pick her up in, Lewis? What car seat you gonna have to put her in, Lewis? Now, it's a lot of things I ain't never played with you about. It's a lot of things. You know I can air you the out. It's a lot of things I never played with you about. But see how you got on social media because you trying to show up in front of somebody? I will find you and smack the with you. You want to bring this to social media when you could have called my phone? Or you could have DM me, inbox me or something? You want to bring it to social media because you mad? Bitch, watch my mother smoke. Now you're not gonna get
Energy made this one. Yeah. Well, you said you were alright. Okay, I can take you there. Yeah. That's all you gotta do is say that one time. Okay. Yeah, she bad as hell, she got long hair. Pretty bitch got a big booty, yeah, I gotta stare. Mama always told me I was different, I ain't got no fear. I don't eat the cat, that's why I probably don't got a beard. I can tell you about my life story, you ain't gotta care. Bitch keep calling me out my name, you ain't gotta swear. Nigga tried to tell me bad advice, I had to close my ears. Uncle Willie sleep on the line, he just got a chair.
Jumped in traffic.
Is it the thanks that I get for putting you bitches on? Is it my fault that all of you bitches gone? Should've sent a thank you note, you little hoe. Now I'ma wrap your coffin with a bow.
Nikki, she just mad cause you took the spot.
Word that bitch mad cause I took the spot. Well bitch, if you ain't shitting then get off the pot. Got some niggas out in Brooklyn that'll off your top. I hear them mumbling, I hear the cackling. I got them scared, shook, panicking. Overseas, church, Vatican. You at a stand still, mannequin. You wanna sleep on me? Overnight? I'm the motherfucking boss, overright. And when I pull up, vroom, motorbike. Now all my niggas get bucked, overbite. I see them dusty ass felines, Levi's, raggedy ass, holes in your knee highs. I call it play. Now do you see why? These bitches calling me Manning Eli.